time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct right now, then definitely you should have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with GainX 1200. This is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame, and I'm using the custom made indicator 3M Trainioka trading indicator. This has been on uptrend right from this support zone, and I told you that this will always, it will be obeying this trend line. Okay, it is a support trend line. So each time it gets there, it buys again. Okay, but once it breaks out from there, then it's going to sell. Okay, so for now, this is still buying at the moment. The next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999, and I also analyzed this asset earlier today. This had been on downtrend for a while, but it got to this support zone, and I told us if it breaks out above this trend line, then it's going to buy. Just the way you are saying this, this is buying at the moment, and it's still giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Paynex 1200 has been on uptrend, and I told us that once it breaks out below this channel, then it's going to sell more. And just the way we have seen this actually got to the resistance zone, and it started selling, and it broke out below this lower part of the channel, and it is still selling. So this is still very much on downtrend. This is the setup I gave us: the entry point, the stop loss, TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved. So it remains TP3 and TP4. So this is still selling at the moment. The next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 999, and I also analyzed this particular asset earlier today. This had been on downtrend because we actually traded this asset on downtrend yesterday, and it got to this support zone earlier today. And of course, I told us that it has been playing around here, and I drew out this channel, and I said if it breaks out below this lower part of the channel, then it's going to sell more, and that was exactly what happened. Okay, and this is still selling at the moment. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. FX volume 80 has been on downtrend, got to the support zone, was unable to break out from there. So it decided to switch into an uptrend, and you can see it buying. Okay, it has got into this region, and of course, it's having a pullback. Once it is done with the pullback, it's most likely for it to continue with the buy trend. But if it gets to this support zone and it breaks out below it, then it's going to sell more. So I see this particular asset buying more if it does not break out below the support zone. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So these are all that we have for today. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you start trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.